Genders of the Railroad, Part 14, Split in Half. BNSF is one of the largest freight railroads in the United States. It has freight cars with liquid, solid, and gases in them. And the headquarters are located in Fort Worth, Texas. One day, in Essex, Connecticut, a man walked up. "Hello, you guys," he said. "My name is Mr. Orklin, and I have a special assignment. I'd like Meefney to pull freight cars today." And Meefney buffered up. As soon as the freight cars were buffered up to Meefney, she steamed out of the yard. Then she came over a bridge. I just realized something about being neat here in New England, that Vermont is the only state in New England not on the ocean, Meefney said to herself. And she was right. As soon as Meefney arrived in Boston, she backed the freight cars up to the siding. "I'm ready for 91 cars," she said. And the train departed the yard. "My gender operator's on board," Meefney said. And the guard in the caboose or brake van waved to the other freight cars that were parked in the siding. And Meefney steamed through the mountains. "Here I go," she said to herself. "Real useful engine coming through." Meanwhile, Mindy was delivering tool sheds for the farm fields in Vermont. They were for the farmers. "I can't wait to reach the only landlocked state in New England." And Mindy steamed by with her tool sheds. Meefney loved Mindy. Then there was trouble. Mindy began to steam up a steep grade in western Massachusetts. "I must get to the top," she said. Meanwhile, a BNSF manifest freight train was carrying 54 cars while they were being really useful. But Mindy began to be out of control due to the weight of the freight cars. "Stop me, please!" she said. She was way out of control. Then there was trouble. The signal ahead was red. "I should stop!" cried Meefney. She braked as hard as she could, but the freight cars were too heavy, and then it was too late! "That was unexpected," said one of the BNSF engines. Luckily, no one was hurt, but Meefney had tilted over and the man and the woman who were driving the engine were concerned. "Our locomotive's destroyed," they said. "I'm sorry," said Meefney. "I didn't see it coming. The signal was red." "Don't worry, you two," said some two engines. "My name is Becky, and I'm Dwee," said the other. "Nice to meet you," said Meefney. "I'm stuck here covered in a crumpled prime mover." Just then Beanish and James pulled up. "Are you alright?" asked Beanish. "Of course she is," said James. "She'll be okay," said Becky. "I'm sure she will," said Twee. It'll be okay, said Mifni. I just have to go to the repair shop to get repaired. A few minutes later, while Mifni was getting repaired, Dwee offered to collect the freight cars and deliver them for Mifni. I like doing this job, said Dwee. But even though Mifni went right through the engine and broke it in half, it's still gonna be repaired and be really useful. To be continued. How are you?